Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Adobe Stock through your Adobe ID so licensing syncs with Creative Cloud libraries. Once signed in, use specific keywords and apply filters, orientation, color, and contributor to narrow results quickly. Preview watermarked images and add promising ones to a library or lightbox. This organizes options and prevents accidental purchases. Do this now so you can compare similar assets side by side, which saves time and ensures you pick the right composition and resolution for your project. Next, you refine selection by opening each asset's detail page to confirm resolution and whether model or property releases are included, because that affects commercial use. Use the visual search or upload a reference image to find near duplicates, and try the Similar Images tool to explore variations. Make sure to compare standard versus extended license terms and prices so your intended use, print runs, product merchandising, or large formats is covered. Doing this prevents legal headaches and keeps costs predictable. Finally, purchase the chosen license, credit pack or subscription, and download the image, syncing it to your Creative Cloud library so it's accessible in apps. Rename files, embed or attach metadata, and store the license receipt in project records to demonstrate compliance in the future. If you encounter problems, failed downloads, or missing releases, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, and re-authenticate. Make sure your Adobe plan is active. If issues persist, contact Adobe support with the asset ID and transaction details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.